Good news, guys. We thought he was coming back, but now it's confirmed. Justin Barcia is in for Unadilla. So at least we get another guy that I would consider a heavy hitter there. He can pull hole shots. He can sprint just about as fast as anybody, for at least a while. Hopefully his injury doesn't hold him back much, and he can give a little bit of mix-up and what I call chaos to the Jet Lawrence, Chase, Sexton situation. And maybe we'll see somebody take a moto from Jet Lawrence. It's been a sleepy couple weeks with Loretta's and everything going on in the break, and now we're going to get back, and it's going to be a pretty exciting run in the 250 class down these last few races. And if Jet goes undefeated, it'll definitely go down in history. So we also have Caden Braswell's farewell Instagram post right here. So he was a fill-in. He was supposed to do 4 rounds. He ended up doing 8, and he made this post and just basically thanked the guys over at TLD Gas for the opportunity. So he did great. He kept their bike on the track and in the pits. So that's awesome to see. I've been super bored for the last couple weeks, so I'm excited to get back to racing this weekend. What do you guys think? Can Barcia throw anything in the mix, or is he going to have a slow start from this injury? He normally comes back from injuries really strong, so I'm excited.